Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to find and retrieve recently deleted apps on your iPhone. Sometimes, we accidentally delete apps and later realize that we still need them. Fortunately, iPhones provide a way to view and restore recently deleted apps. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Access the App Store. Tap on the App Store icon to launch the App Store. Step 2. Open your Apple ID account. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your Apple ID profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the screen. After tapping, a pop-up menu account will appear. From the pop-up menu, select Purchased. Step 3. View recently deleted apps. On the Purchased screen, you'll find a list of your previously downloaded apps, and there are two sections. At the top, you'll see a section called All and Not on this iPhone. Now, tap the Not on this iPhone section. It displays apps that you have previously downloaded but are not currently installed on your device. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find recently deleted apps on your iPhone. Additionally, you can also restore deleted apps here by tapping the cloud with the down button. Thank you for watching!